Want me to take him, Hub?
Oh, that's okay.
Oh, she wanted it.
She does, but we gotta keep an eye on it because if she gets a piece off, you have to take it out of her mouth. Okay?
Okay.
God bless you.
Okay, Heather. Okay. I make it go quicker. Oh.
Good job, Sos.
Hey, the drum.
Sometimes you can feed her in between.
Play the drum. Hey, young. Will you jump in? Don't get hit by the marble, Heather. Okay. Keep jumping. Keep jumping. Okay.
Yums.